Science. 7. A clean environment. 7. A clean environment. In this chapter, you will learn about the concept of environment, the air, water, and land pollution, the concept of reduce, reuse, and recycle. Environment includes all the living and non-living things around us, other people, animals, plants, microbes, water, air, and land. We know that no living being can live in isolation. Every living being depends on other living beings in the world and interact with one another for their survival. The environment keeps on changing due to rise in population. As the population is increasing day by day, more and more houses are being made. Where does the land for making these houses come from? More and more trees are being cut down to make this land available. New factories are being set up to meet the demands of human beings. The number of vehicles running on the road is increasing continuously. The amount of smoke produced is also increasing, and the purity of air, water, and land is getting affected. In other words, air, water, and land are getting polluted. Pollution. Pollution means contamination of air, water, and land by harmful things. It is basically the introduction of impure things in pure ones. These things which cause pollution are called pollutants. Pollution affects the health of living things. Air pollution. Air is damaged by fumes from moving cars and trucks. Power stations create acid rain which destroy forests and fuels like coal and petroleum. We burn these fuels are burned for lighting, cooking, etc. They give out gases which cause air pollution. Gases like carbon dioxide and methane from factories also pollute air. Water pollution. Houses, factories, and farmers produce wastewater that pollutes lakes and rivers. Harmful microorganisms grow in polluted water and cause diseases like diarrhea and typhoid. When fertilizers and chemicals reach the water, they harm fishes and other water animals. Land pollution. Land pollution is caused when harmful substances mix with soil. Land pollution is caused by domestic, industrial, and agricultural waste. Agricultural waste includes parts of plants and pesticides. Animal waste also pollutes land. What happened to the newspaper that comes to your house every day? The glass, mug, plate, and cup that break, fruit and vegetable peels, old toothbrushes, empty toothpaste tube, and shampoo bottles. The plastic bags and old plastic bottles. Old clothes and shoes you no longer use. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Some wastes like vegetables peels, fruits, and newspapers decay quickly and mix with soil. They are called biodegradable wastes. All the food wastes, parts of plants, pencil shavings, animals and human waste comes under biodegradable waste. But some wastes do not rot. They are called non-biodegradable waste. Plastic, metals and glass are some non-biodegradable waste. They remain in the soil for a very long time and pollute it. Preventing pollution. Our forefathers passed on a clean earth to us. If pollution continues at the present rate, we cannot leave a healthy earth for future generations. So, we must make efforts to reduce pollution and retain the beauty of this planet. Disposal of waste is a big problem. Hence, waste management is very important. This is the job of panchayats in villages, municipalities in towns, and corporations in cities. Each one of us has to do our bit. Wet waste and dry waste must be separated. Wet waste must be taken to decomposing units and dry waste for recycling or burning. Do not use plastic bags. They block drains and stop the flow of dirty water. We must use vehicles fitted with CNG or LPG kits to check air pollution. Regular pollution checks of vehicles help prevent air pollution. The authorities must dump the decomposable waste in pits. There it can change into manure or compost. Factories must have tall chimneys with filters. They release smoke at a high place, and so this smoke does not harm living things. Three R's. We can help in saving our environment by following the 3 R's. Reducing means using less. If we try to use fewer things, we will find lesser things to throw. Choosing things that can be used again, like cloth towels and not paper towel. Do not use things you do not really need. Before buying something, help keep the environment clean by asking yourself, do I really need it? Reusing is finding new uses of things that would normally be thrown away. Many things like cardboard boxes, glass jars, cards, envelopes, and plastic bags can be reused. Before you throw away a toy or a pen, think of all their other uses. Recycling is giving special treatment to waste so that we can use it again. Glass bottles are crushed and melted to make new glass. We can use used paper to make paper again. Aluminium and plastic can also be recycled. Roundup. Environment includes all the living and non-living things around us. The environment keeps on changing because the population is rising. Pollution means contamination of air, water, and land by harmful things. We have to make efforts to reduce pollution and retain the beauty of this planet. We can help in saving our environment by following the 3 R's.